Yeah, it does look like a giant horn, doesn't it? Is that real, or has someone drawn that on? Excuse me, a fly went down my throat. That's nice. That abbey coming round the corner, isn't it? Should we go that? Do you want to go this way?
Yeah.
Once we get onto the thingamajig path, it's pretty much just follow it. So it should be similar to the Ffordd to Aberystwyth,
Yeah.
but a bit less. It's not like directly along the cliff edge. This is the start of the Cleveland Way, which is 6.5 miles to get to Robin Hood's Bay, which rhymes.
This is a mystic stone.
So we'll have a look. This reminds me of the coastal walk of Ffordd to Aberystwyth, or the other way around.
Everything's really flat and fluffy here.
Yes, this really reminds me of Wales. Oh, look. Wow. Oh my. We wouldn't want to take a tumble down that cliff, would we? Anytime soon. Oh, what's that over in the distance? Can you see?
Yeah.
That tall sticking up. I don't think there's a castle there, is there? Lots of metal parts. Could be pieces of a boat. Oh yeah, looks like it was a ship. There's the abbey. Looking back on the jetty and the pier there. There's a closer view of those bits of metal. Of the walk to Robin Hood Bay. Now the other 5.5. So, this is an example of what can go wrong. I'm not going to go too close. The whole section has fell down. See that fence post just Lighthouse with horns. Oh yeah, that one's going sort of parallel to us. That's odd. But that's definitely a fishing vessel, isn't
This
it?
reminds me of that, and then there were none.
Oh. This reminds me more of the lighthouse.
Did you see the film of it?
Yeah, we saw it
Oh.
in the cinema.
Oh, that one.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, I'm thinking of another one.
Oh.
I wonder if he got there.
Maybe. Yeah, it does look like a giant horn, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh, is it a telescope or something?
Oh, maybe. It could be, couldn't it? Yeah, yeah, there's one in that direction and one quite in the other direction. Yeah. Oh, cool. And driving a duster. Let's see what's over this hillock. All along the rest of that path, I think, and round that corner, because I don't think we're near Robin Hood's Bay yet. It's very similar to the Wolf to Aberystwyth path. Some little lambs just been born. Look at that one running along. Them two hanging out. Oh, look, and there's another pair of twins up there.
Twins, aren't there?
Oh yeah.
They seem to all do it.
He must give
Apart
birth
from
to
that guy
several.
on his own.
Oh, him on his own.
Aww.
Oh. Whoa. It's a bit slippy, isn't it? heading down this quite slippery, muddy bit. A lot of the coastal path looks very similar, so it's not that interesting to film. So we'll just film some of these more interesting bits. This is very slippery. Whoa! Well, it doesn't look like it on the film, but it's very slippery. Oop. Another 3 miles to Robin Hood Bay.
Oh, there's a bridge.
Oh. There we go, that's a bit less slippery, isn't it?
No, it's just I'm not holding on to you now.
It's flattening out a bit. Bring some good walking boots because it's quite muddy at places. Whoa!
Oh, here's some
Wild garlic. Suddenly bombarded by flies, which has not really happened yet this year. What now? There's a congregation of them. Look. Yeah. Mud and flies. What next? Oh, look at this. Do you remember what this is from the last video? Yeah, I believe so. Seems to be one of the first things to flower in spring. Oh, another little bridge. What? Not really, no. At least the camera is okay. It's very slippy though. Yeah. Fell over, but luckily the camera was okay. Yeah, it's just incredibly muddy and slippery, and my running shoes aren't really doing it justice at the moment. At least there's something either side this time. The only thing is just to force your way through it. There we go. Hawks are public footpath, but that's not where we're going. We're trying to get to Robin Hood's Bay. Oh, whoa! There's what? Oh yeah. Look at this, I wonder when that was. No, but look, it's burnt the fence posts. And look, there was a lot of warrens or tunnels here. I wonder what lived in those. Maybe it was with the heat wave last year. Is that real, or has someone drawn that on?
Someone's drawn that, surely. Almost there, just round that corner, so to speak. A lot of nesting gulls. Let's have another look. Gosh, wow. Not want to fall down there.
Nearly there. The road's got a bit better now. There's not much to say about this section of the walk, is there?
Are you asking me?
Yeah.
Am I allowed to be in your video?
Yeah, of course. Lots of gorse and a field of cows.
Jet.
No, I don't think it is jet. I think it's just
Slate.
slate for some reason. Look at this bit here, it's crumbled down over time. You don't get this much in North Wales. Oh.
Yeah, this looking around whilst filming, so
It's a bit,
already working.
whoa, a bit dangerous.
And the last thing he said before he fell off the cliff
Oh,
has been captured in the time.
oh, finally. Disturb them too much, but can you see frogs?
Do you think what? Look, see those beads? Is that the egg?
Oh yeah.
It's a bit weird. I didn't realise it came out like a necklace. Oh look, there's one here.
I don't know if you can really see that much
I've
on the
never
camera.
seen so many frogs before all together. Oh look, 1, 2.
I don't want to disturb
three,
them too
four,
much. Look,
5, 6, 7. What are they up to? There's loads of them. There's one down there.
I think they're
Two there.
toads. Let's just see. Try and get a dip underwater
that one's
quickly.
moving
Let's just.
with the. Oh look! Oh wow, that's cool.
Let me just try and get a dip underwater and see if they.
Can you do?
Yeah.
That might freak them out. No, I think the underwater bit's a bit scary for them.
Oh, it's quite warm in the sun. Got another fishing vessel going by. Just around this corner.
You've been saying that for the last 5 corners.
Well, it must be. We'll be Robin Hood's Bay. We'll just crest this this corner and we should see it. Because it's definitely not over that way. So it must be this bay. Since that 3-mile point. Phew. Excuse me, a fly went down my throat. Luckily it flew back out. Just around the next corner. I know. I'll film it when we get there. That's a yee.
Up there.
Yeah, it's that rocket post there, isn't it?
friendly one.
We're getting some refreshments from the post office. So we're walking down to Robin Hood's Bay in earnest, aren't we?
In earnest?
Yes, this time.
Why are we in earnest?
And the weather is really nice again. We came a good 6.5 miles, didn't we? Hey? Felt like more? I know. What do you think? Should we go a bit further away? Maybe.
Do you think this is it?
You think that it would do? Can't film too much around Robin Hood's Bay actually because it's incredibly busy here, so I don't want to film too many people. Another whalebone. A bit easier to film along with it.
Yeah, I'm gonna film too.
Yeah. Oh.